These are my tips and tricks on how to sink door cups. Now after the film is laid and squeegeed out, you're going to be left with these door cups. Now these could be tricky on some of these vehicles, but I'm going to be showing you this hot towel method. First we're going to be doing this relief cut, so we can introduce some Instagel back under the door cup, but make sure you guys are doing those rounded cuts still, because we don't want to be tearing anything. Let's spray some of this Instagel back into that door cup now, and it will run down on you sometimes, but the gel will help you out, just so you don't get any of that germane debris in there. You might get some air built up in there too, but make sure you're spreading the gel around to release all the air throughout that relieved area. Next you're going to want to get you a towel now and dip it in some hot water, but you're going to have to let it cool down though. Don't be a fool like me and burn yourself. Now that towel's cooled down a little bit, let's lay this door cup down. But you got to form that towel to the shape of the cup so it evenly extracts the gel out. Then go back with your squeegee and get what's left over. And then boom, y'all, this is that hot towel method. Don't let these door cups beat y'all up. And always remember, y'all, there's 100 ways to do everything, but you have to learn the rules before you can break them. I hope this video helps some of you guys out. I'm Anthony Magana, and you can follow me at ppf_Tony for more tips and tricks and my advanced techniques.